Understanding Membrane Keyboard, an essential guide for language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of technology terms, specifically the phrase, membrane keyboard. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply curious about English technical jargon, this video will clarify what a membrane keyboard is, how it works, and where you might encounter this term in everyday life. A membrane keyboard refers to a type of computer keyboard design. Unlike traditional mechanical keyboards, which have individual keys, a membrane keyboard consists of three layers: a top membrane layer, a middle spacer, and a bottom membrane layer. When you press a key, these layers make contact, registering the key press. Membrane keyboards are known for their quiet operation and soft keypress feel. In this section, we'll explore the components that make up a membrane keyboard. The top layer has the printed keys. The middle layer has holes that allow the top and bottom layers to connect when pressed, and the bottom layer carries the electrical circuit. Pressing a key pushes these layers together, completing a circuit and sending a signal to the computer. This is how each key press is registered. Membrane keyboards have their own set of advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, they are less expensive to produce, quieter, and often more resistant to dirt and liquids compared to mechanical keyboards. However, they might lack the tactile feedback that some users prefer in mechanical keyboards, and they can have a shorter lifespan. Membrane keyboards are commonly found in offices, schools, and homes. They are popular in settings where low noise levels are important. Additionally, these keyboards are often integrated into industrial control systems and various consumer electronics due to their durability and cost-effectiveness. We hope this video has been informative and has enhanced your understanding of the term, membrane keyboard. It's a great example of how English incorporates specific terms for technological concepts. Stay tuned for more videos, and we hope you continue to enjoy learning English with us.